Does your jet wash do this? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Speaking of channel, so this morning I logged in and had a little look and I got 70 subscribers. Now, it doesn't sound a lot, but I am over the moon with that. I literally didn't expect to get any, if any, maybe a few friends and family. It's 70? I've only been doing the videos for about a month, so I'm really chuffed. I hope they help. That's what the channel's about. So I'm going to put everything we do with work. So I own a company called Simply Ponds. Call myself the Pond Man. Every time I knock on the door, customers always, oh, the Pond Man's here. So I thought that'd be a good name for my channel. So everything we do pond wise, we build them, we install them, water features, waterfalls, revamp old ponds, clean them out, maintenance, absolutely everything. Doing it for about 15 years now, so I know a lot more about ponds than I do about YouTube. So I've had about 3 Karcher Jetwashes and probably 4 Bosch Jetwashes, and the Bosch ones were rubbish. Don't buy a Bosch. But the Karcher was brilliant. But don't do what I did. I replaced 2 Jetwashers because I thought they were broken, and the one I've got now, which I use every day, was going to buy another again because the same fault's been happening. The fault, when you switch it on and you try and use it, it basically pulsates. So it goes and it stops, goes then it stops. I've bought in the last 6 months 3 replacement nozzles, and they're about £40 a pop. So it's, you know, it's not cheap to keep replacing. But anyway, I've only just recently figured out how to fix it. So don't do what I did. Don't take your jet wash back for a new one. The tools required for this job, it's just a little pin and a screwdriver. So, all right, let's go and have a look. So this nozzle, it's got 3 built-in little nozzles. So the first one, call it the helicopter. This one seems to be all right. So that one's all right. Then I'll go to the next one. Watch. So I'll take that one inside, see if we can give that a little clean and a fix. That's the nozzle we just did. This is the other nozzle. This is the other nozzle. This one's got 3 built into it. This other one's got 5. So it's working fine except for on the helicopter. So let's have a little look. Helicopter. See, same thing. Okay, so we'll go inside and give them a clean. Okay, tools for the job. Okay, so just take all the screws out. Okay, so screws are out. This nozzle I haven't done before. The other one I have, but usually this comes out, but for some reason that isn't coming out. So I'm not going to try and pull it in case I break it, but the bit we need to get to is accessible without taking that off. Okay, so just want to open this up, and the actual nozzle that needs a bit of a clean is just this end piece here. So if I pop the camera down, okay, there she is. That's the one we want. Look at that. Lovely jubbly. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to give this a little wash first, and then we'll get the pin inside and unblock this if we can. Okay, give me 2 secs. Okay, so that's a little soak. I'm going to put the main nozzle in just some hot soapy water. Just let that sit there and break down a bit of the old dirt, clean it up a bit. Okay, so what you want to do, the nozzle that's working on this particular one is the helicopter. So that's the middle one over here. That one's okay. The one that isn't working is like your normal spray really, which is that one there. So I can actually see it. There's a bit of grit or whatever it is stuck in there. So it has to be a small hole to get the pressure, otherwise it wouldn't work. And you know, a small bit of sand or anything, that's all it takes. That'll go in there and then block it up. So just get a pin, stick it in. Oh yeah, felt that go. That's nice and loose now. Okay, give it a little jiggy. And then I'll pop that back in the hot soapy water. And the GoPro. So while we're waiting, hit that like button and subscribe. It's free, why not? It's gonna be good. Okay, here's the next nozzle. This is a 5-in-1. Okay, so all the screws are out now. See, this one just pops off. It's a little bit different to the other one. Okay, that just pops off there like that. And then the culprit is the middle one. That's the helicopter. So we just need to get our little pin again, push it through the hole. Yeah, I can feel something there. Oh, I don't know if you heard that. Okay, it's all cleaned, so I'll put it back together and then we'll test both of them outside in a second. Okay, so the 3-in-1, the normal nozzle, let's check her out. Okay, take that off. Now we'll put 3-in-1 down. The 5-in-1. Okay, and this was the helicopter wasn't working on this one. It's a normal one. Normal. Well, there we go, that was successful. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you didn't do what I've done and replace 2 jet washers, and I'm on my 3rd nozzle now. If you like the video, don't forget, let me know, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, like I said, we are a pond channel, but I'll put anything on, anything I think might be able to help. Okay, cheers guys, bye.